welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea if you are new, and today is Wednesday, which means we're going to do a memory spread today. So go ahead and stay tuned for this memory spread for December 14th through the 20th in my Recollections Planner using the Let It Snow GoldPaperPrints weekly kit. I will have everything linked down below, including the pre-plan with me and the base plan with me for this spread, as well as the weekly kit linked and the haul and everything else that'll go with this video. So make sure to stay tuned and let's get to it. Alright guys, this is the final look for my memory spread for the week of December 14th through the 20th in my Recollections Planner using the Let Us Know weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. I'll show you my leftovers. These two are add-ons and then the weekly kit. I didn't use nearly as many as I usually do, but it's a very stressful week. My daughter woke up very early, as you can see, a couple of days, and then my husband was off for the majority of the week, but I did get some filming done, so yay. Oh, I also forgot to mention that there was a sale from the 17th through the 20th. There will be another sale on the 23rd, which is when this planner is up. So today is December 23rd. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can find out what the code is, because she's doing another 60% off of her sale. So make sure to follow me. Everything is linked down below, as well as everything for this kit. All my stickers are GoldPaperPrints, and this kit is GoldPaperPrints. Everything is linked down below. How many times can I say that? Probably a ton. So happy Wednesday, guys. Happy holidays, and I will see you guys on Friday. I am still keeping my posts Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like planner videos, and also make sure to subscribe so that you can see videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, bonus videos on Tuesdays, hauls on Thursdays, and also make sure to hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of those videos. Happy holidays, guys. See you on Friday. Bye.